Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute dog dabbing. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the cute dog dabbing. I'm starting with its head. Here's its big ear. And this is another one. Now I'm drawing its hand. And this is its leg. Here's another leg. Now I'm drawing its mouth. This is its tail. My drawing is done. Now for the coloring, I'm using my brown colored pencil. Now I'm using a yellow-orange pencil. Now I'm using a pale orange crayon. Now I'm using a gray crayon. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.